Microcosm. Microcosm is the world of the order of 10 raised to minus 33 centimeters. Please note that the size of the atom is 10 raised to minus 8 centimeters. Here we will be talking about the sizes less than the dimensions of electron, proton and neutron, even less than the size of photon. High energy colliding beam accelerators called synchrotrons are in operation in the world in the hope of unearthing smallest common particle of matter and energy. We can speculate that smallest unit of universe is made of smallest unit of existence, smallest unit of non-existence and the field between the two. The smallest unit of existence is of matter or energy and say it is positive in nature. The smallest unit of non-existence is of void or space and say it is negative in nature. We may call this negative unit antimatter or anti-energy. The field between the above two is the cause of effect at a distance. The field is a sort of aura or corona. The field has a typical characteristic that the unit of existence and the unit of non-existence repel each other when they are near and attract each other when they are away. From this we may deduce that the unit of existence and unit of non-existence have the same polarity when they are near and opposite polarity when away. Time lag due to inertia between cause and effect is responsible for dynamic universe. Thus, unit world or universe must be pulsating. In the pulsating phenomena, the object does not leave the place, yet it is in the motion. This motion is like vibrating motion. The vibrating motion presents static and dynamic phenomena simultaneously. Inertia means opposition to change. It is just like human beings who oppose change due to habits. Yet nothing is permanent but change.
In the universe, there is existence of matter and energy. Let us first talk about matter. The atom is the basic unit of matter. The size of all atoms is approximately the same, that is 10 raised to minus 8 centimeters. The length 10 raised to minus 8 centimeters is equal to 1 angstrom, that is approximately equal to diameter of an atom. The atom of hydrogen weighs only 10 raised to minus 24 grams. All things are made of atoms. The atoms are little particles that move around in perpetual motion, attracting each other when at a distance, but repelling each other upon being squeezed into one another. It may be interesting to compare with the human behavior. Do we not behave in the same fashion? The atoms are composed of protons, neutrons, and electrons. The search for common smallest unit of matter is going on in the laboratories of the world. That is the search of constituents of protons, neutrons, and electrons. The similar atoms combine and form elements. The different elements combine to form compound, of which the matter is made of. For example, carbon and oxygen are elements, but when they combine, carbon dioxide is formed, which is a compound. The elements are classified in the periodic table on the basis of the structure of an atom. Atomic number is equal to the number of electrons in an atom. Chemical symbol atomic weight. Radioactive materials are the heavy elements of the atomic number greater than 80. Due to loss of radiation, radioactive decay, elements go on changing from one substance to another, which in turn continues the process till stable material lead is attained. You can see the place of oxygen atom in the periodic table. Oxygen is gas at standard temperature and pressure. There are 115 elements discovered so far, that is till 2004. Matter exists in different states, that is solid, liquid, gaseous and plasma. The plasma has got innate tendency to expand. Application or removal of heat energy changes the state of matter. We have already talked about matter. Now we will talk about energy. There are various kinds of energy such as heat, sound, chemical, electrical, magnetic, gravitational, potential, kinetic, etc. The electromagnetic radiation is another kind of energy. The electrical energy can be very conveniently converted into heat, light, chemical, mechanical or other kind of energy at the flick of the switch. However, electrical energy cannot be stored. Energy by its action not only changes the state of matter, that is solid, liquid, gaseous, plasma, but also changes the type of matter. That is, when manganese dioxide is heated, it decomposes into manganese and oxygen. We know about electromagnetic radiation of different frequencies and wavelengths like heat rays, light rays, alpha, beta, and gamma rays, X rays, ultraviolet rays, cosmic rays, microwaves, radio waves, etc. There is incredible concentration of energy in the form of cosmic rays in the space. All these kinds of radiations propagate at the same velocity, that is velocity of light, which is equal to 3 into 10 raised to 5 kilometers per second. C is equal to F into lambda, where C is velocity of light, F is frequency, and lambda is wavelength. Light is composed of photons which have got practically zero mass and maximum velocity. Therefore, it can be stated that at velocity of light, mass disappears. Light is practically pure energy. Electromagnetic radiation is coming from space to Earth. Major source of electromagnetic radiation is Sun. The level of penetration of different kinds of radiation in the Earth's atmosphere is shown in the diagram. The study of energy in the electromagnetic spectrum has assumed greater importance in the laboratories all over the world nowadays.